Welcome to the continuation of the AVCAD Database Manager 101 course. Let's create analog devices for quick replacement with proven analogs in kits and equipment lists. To do this, simply select the manufacturer and model of one device and the manufacturer and model of the second device. Let's create a kit. To do this, enter the name and version. In the kit itself, we can create devices and quickly replace them with analogs and add various additional items to the specification. And now, let's create an equipment list from the kit and devices. As you can see, by filling in the information once, you get a tool that quickly generates the necessary specifications. When saving to Excel, you will see all the specification items and will be able to upload them to the program again for further work.